Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know.
Guys, kumusta kayong lahat? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, Ticol TV. Dito rin ako ngayon sa Iloilo para bisitahin ang kanilang gandang tanawin at para ma-share ko din sa inyong lahat. At sa lahat na viewers na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click the notification bell at mag-like para update kayo sa aking video. So yun guys, dito malapit na po talaga tayo. So nakikita na ninyo talagang hindi pero yung pinagdaanan namin dito bago namin na parting. Guys, nandito na po tayo. Guys, Indo tire dong. Ikaw parking boy dire dong. Dong. Ikaw parking boy dire. So, ayun guys, no, nandito na tayo ngayon sa lake. May mga tao sa baba. Ayan na, okay na.
Hindi ka na nga ito bang ganito, Mr. Gero.